Golly, it takes a lot of hits to kill him. Oh!
Those are large guys. And now they're dead.
Thank
Yay,
gosh,
shotgun.
I would say that I forgot. Those guys are, if they get to you, they do a lot of damage. Because I remember the first time I did it, I didn't use my guns properly, and so like that was a really tough fight. Oh, poor guy. I'm so sorry, little dude.
He just walked right off.
Oh, let's see if I can find one of their heads.
I love it. He just walked right off the edge. Like, just completely
Let's see
unexpectedly.
if you can see their heads in this.
I don't know. But
Occasionally you can see their heads, and their heads are, they're still alive because they're robots, right?
Oh,
It's
makes
absolutely
sense.
hilarious. You know what? We're going to do this the right way.
I like that.
I heard that.
Did you get the object?
What up? No, we got ambushed.
Oh.
Okay, so I feel obligated to show you guys what the disco ball thing does.
Ooh.
Because this is like the perfect place to show it off. What the heck? Did I just get hit? Oh, it must have been when I jumped. They shouldn't be able to hit me from here. Okay, so I feel obligated to show you guys this, so I'll show you guys the Groovitron. There you go.
I love it.
There you go.
Oh.
And it doesn't last forever.
Fellas.
Alright, we're out of ammo, which means we gotta switch to... Gotta switch to Old Faithful.
The groove party's over.
Ah, there's a thingy.
There's a thing for the helicopter thingy.
Yeah. Oh, that worked.
That was high. It's about the only success you've had jumping so
Yeah.
far today.
I'll say I'm getting kind of irritated that they keep hiding these off and say, ah, that's what it was. I was like, I'm getting irritated that that's all they're hiding in these areas.
Pretty sure every time you're like, that was it, it ends up not being it.
Yeah. Something more that makes me go, oh man. Why did I say that? Cool, I got another piece of the plan.
Yay.
I forgot, I don't remember how many there are. There's quite a few though. They certainly don't give it to you.
That was
Oh my god, are those all bolts?
Let's see, what was that?
Oh wow, lots of ammo. Oh my god, those are all bolts.
Wow. Where in the hell did those come from?
Where they broke out of these vaults. These boxes.
Oh.
Wait, does that mean if I blow up these boxes, they're full of bolts?
I don't know if it lets you.
Nah, that's not letting me. I am getting bolts! Oh my god, I want some of these. Hello, friends. Goodbye, friends. Health, okay. Yeah, and we gotta fight. I believe we gotta fight on the ship.
Makes sense.
Oh. Yeah, don't go that way.
Yeah.
I was sitting there
Let's
like,
walk
maybe.
this plank.
And I believe, I would say, I believe here's the boss. I don't think I have enough for anything. Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Well, that shotgun should do you well. Ooh. Yeah, I'd say it's gonna do you pretty good. Just don't get hit by whatever.
Oh. problem is I say that thing explodes. The rest of them just like don't get hit. Yeah, that was simpler than it should have been.
Yay, shotgun!
All right, the pirate door. Oh my god, I forgot about the pirate door. Yes, the pirate door. Oh, we're gonna have so much fun when that comes up. Pirates only. I like this. Oh my god, I forgot all about this. There. Screw it. It was worth the shot. Get it.
Get it.
Get it. My ship's chilling over here.
Ship's always
Oh, that's their ship.
What do you know about Lombax technology? My mother was half Lombax. Yeah, we used to make these gizmos out of paper mache.
I happen to be a renowned expert in Lombax history, and this Duwag is a zombie death beam emitter that'll wipe out all life in the galaxy.
zombie death beam emitter.
Put batteries in it to turn fool.
Guys, just give me 2 seconds to think.
Having trouble.
I tried to pull it apart.
Okay, genius, you figure it out.
No! It's the zombie death beam!
It appears to be a map.
Wait a second. It's Riken 5. That must be where the secret is hidden. I'll send the coordinates to your ship. Meet us there as soon as you can.
Yep.
Okay.
Coordinates acquired for Riken 5.
Boy, this beaming technology crap. Crap. There. That's what I wanted. There. Oh god. Oh god. I broke it. I broke it.
Earth, what's he doing? He just like throw and jump into the ship. Okay.
The game's like, you don't jump. You just go into it. I'd make you jump. You don't jump. Ah, right.
Moment of silence for your penalty. I'm trying to jump into the ship.
Woo! I almost
Wow,
ran into that.
you-
Yeah, that was.
a very large bat.
I didn't get it. I don't even know what I'm supposed to be doing. I think I'm supposed to be shooting these things.
Is that very large thing coming at you? Like a little turret? Is that just... Yeah. Okay. Large ship in the middle. Okay. Bottom. There were like rockets coming at you from the bottom.
That's fine. I wanted to get hit by those rockets.
I know.
I'm still collecting bolts, by the way.
Cool.
My hand itches. Eeny.
Woo. Wow. Okay.
That's why it wants me. I collect bolts when I kill them. When I kill them, I can't seem to be able to speak properly with. Ah!
There are a lot of those. Just maneuver the crap out of your ship right now. Why are they...
I don't even know what they did.
Oh my gosh, exploded.
Oh, good, I got it. I missed the one earlier, so it's not gonna matter with the. Oh my! There we go. Okay. I lock on, and then I just dodge.
Spin in circles!
Oh,
That looks like
we're at
two
60,
suns right next to
60
each
some
other.
odd. Yeah, it kind of is. I was looking at that, not looking at my screen.
Looking at what?
Yeah, what was going on behind me?
Oh.
Again, I'm not sure what that does.
No idea. tentacles.
There you go. Oh. Yeah, so I have to shoot out the...
Those umbrella-looking things.
Oh my. Oh. Ah!
I think it's getting a little faster. Okay. You got it.
I'm very scared that you're about to make me turn. I don't know what I'm shooting anymore. There's some targets.
There you go.
Oh.
Woo!
Frick.
Scared me. Zigzag. Yoga class. What did they do? What did that do?
Oh, here we go.
Oh.
Boss!
Circles.
There it is. Oh god, the 6... Oh,
I'll say, what are you doing?
I forgot.
Oh god. Sun lava things shooting up. Ah.
Ah, I tricked you. It's like what Star Fox wanted to be. An adventure game and a flying game.
Oh, god.
Too far.
On Earth.
I'm not sure.
Try.
I'm assuming I want to go through the ring.
I don't know. No idea.
How much damage does this even do? Oh wow, quite a bit.
Yeah. Decent amount.
Yeah. Decent amount. 3 out of 5 bonus target straight. Yeah, and I actually knew. Skill point. I've got a place to be. And now we're up to like 75,000 bolts again.
That was easy.
Yeah. We're gonna get back to the point where we're gonna have over 100,000 volts and be like, yeah, what do you want to buy? I don't know, like everything. And lava ravines. No? I'll see.
Oh, okay. There's an extended blackout there.
Ugh.
What are stones? Do I have them? I'll tell you later.
And no. I'll tell you later. And no. By the way, what we just saw in the back there was the Insomniac logo, by the way.
Oh yeah?
It's a moon, yeah. He says as he got hit. Yeah, could you imagine trying to do this with a stupid motion controller? Yeah, right.
Yeah, no, I'm good. You're like,
Ow.
can't move. So don't waste your shotgun on the little people. Oh, that did nothing.
What else do I have that'd be fun to play with? Not to eat. Wow, those bees don't really do as much as I wanted them to.
They did before. Apparently enemies are stronger here.
Ooh.
A lot of boxing.
Soft block of boxing. Oh look, there's a ammo thing.
Woohoo.
Just gonna fly back here and look. New weapon? No.
No.
Oh gosh, I have a lot of rare titanium though. Let's see. So that's done. That's almost done. Let's focus on that. Because with 2,000 we can get a lot of stuff. Fun fact, I can do that and then buy that. This upgrade adds highly combustible something coating to the edges of each blade. The blades will explode shortly after affixing themselves to any wall or foe. It is a lot of bolts too. I could buy both of those, increasing ammo capacity by a lot. We'll do that. I think that's the more worthwhile purchase.
For right now.
Yeah. Get that ammo count like way up. Yeah, 260 ammo count now.
Yeah.
God, why are you guys around?
They're there for distractions.
What?
We can run for it. Watch my six.
He's making a run for it.
He succeeded too. Gotta level up all the other guns. Since we kind of completely did for the shotgun. Unless I can level up past level 5.
I don't remember, and I haven't checked since we've been using it.
Those things are flying everywhere. Why are these little guys not dying?
Because I'm hitting their shields. Ooh. Ow.
Oh, what? I don't like their shield. I think their shields should, break eventually.
They do.
They sure do take a lot of damage.
Yeah, they do. Let them shoot. There.
It's like explodes instantly. Stupid fish. Go away. Stupid squishy fish.
So they blew a hole in the door.
Nice.
So stupid. Screw you guys. Oh, you know what I could do? I just realized if I use this, I get rare titanium.
Oh. So how long are you going to be able to do that?
As long as I have ammo.
You're getting a little low.
That's alright, throw the... That helped.
A lot of rare gaming. Why do we want rare gaming?
Upgrades.
Ah.
Excuse me, guys. I have to go get some both.
Money.
God, they should not do this to me. They know that I'm just gonna like freak out every time I see bolts. They know I'm gonna do this. That's why they do it to me.
Naturally. It's a distraction technique. Only they fail most of the time, so you know.
I'm not-
Plan of
it's
you
not-
looking
they're not
and getting the
dropping.
bolts while they shoot you in the back doesn't always work. And all the time you were just casually making your way to the other pile of boxes.
A soft block of boxing.
Excuse me guys, gotta go this way. Don't mind me.
Yep, there was like a rare titanium and all that. But I am getting it.
Yeah. You got a crap ton earlier.
Yeah, but this is just extra hoo-ha to go. Wow, I do.
No more.
Don't mind me. Just gonna.
There you go.
Yeah, so just like that, there was another 995 just from killing him with it. I think somebody said something. I think they're saying stuff because my game audio muted. But I'm so far away I can't hear them.
I would say, if they're talking, it's so light.
Wait. That and also this gun's gonna level up soon. Ah! It went to run out of ammo as I collected the ammo. Oh man, I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing here, but if this is it, I'm loving it.
Did you already go through the broken wall?
Level 5.
Nice.
Boop! Now it's bigger.
Wow.
Yeah.
Now it's huge compared to what it was.
Yeah.
Hey, Sigs.
Hey, Sigs.
Short chair. Issues with hips. And pants.
Yeah, now it just kind of does that.
Oh, okay. So that's not, awesome. No.
I'm not seeing it upgrading. Then again, it could just have a metric crap ton of upgrade room. No, I don't think it is. I think
No, I
level
don't
5
think
is.
so.
Okay, now that I'm out of ammo.
Level 2. That's
Ding!
like instant.
Yeah,
Hello.
it's just like the same gun, a little
Yeah.
shinier now.
Hey, I like the shine.
Fact. There.
Excuse me. Give me like an hour. Eventually you will die. Eventually.
Wow, this is just painful to watch.
Well, you have to level it up at some point.
There! You all now lost your shield. Eat it. What? Oh, where am I starting?
And why did you die?
4 turrets
Oh.
that I did not know were apparently a target. Alright, I'm gonna stand back here this time.
Oh god.
There.
3 turrets.
Oh crap. There. Excuse me, I need ammo, thank you.
Gonna collect things.
Oh, really? The bolt multiplier now? Well, that's
Of
disrespectful.
course.
I didn't even know it would give me. I'm just gonna sit here. You're giving me ammo. I like you. Okay, we're done. Okay. Oh, look, now we're in the spaceport. Not that we didn't just fight a bajillion people. Still the same 2 weapons. But a lot of upgrade abilities.
Yay!
Buzzblades? What else do we have? Predatory launcher. Buzzblades. And that's it. We're 2 points away from upgrading it fully.
Yay!
See, the more ricochets, I actually see that as a valuable thing, other than like the wider spread
Yeah.
from the shotgun. Like, I just don't see that as a valuable thing in comparison.
Yeah.
So this is actually gonna be our last planet for the night. 'Cause
Makes sense.
we're reaching the 2 hours. Ooh, it's 100,000 bolts. We have it. Should we?
Would it be beneficial?
Well, it would block more armor or more damage.
damage.
Block more armor.
Block more
It
armor?
would have more armor.
Tougher than anything in 3 sectors. It's also quite slimming.
Like, we don't... Sorry. We don't need it. We'll just leave it for now. Because I don't know that we need it. I also don't entirely know where I'm going. Other than not that way. Oh. There.
There you go. From his little hands. Making cute little noises.
Down. And by the way, I tried doing this once by jumping. Recommend it.
No?
No, it's not really the best of mine. Kind of results in pain.
And death?
Well, not so many words, but yes. Ooh,
Ooh.
it's all goldeny. Zircon capsule. I don't know what that is, but we got it.
I don't think we need to know.
Oh, I know. I think I know what it is. It's not really anything. It's another device that I'm not going to use, kind of thing. I'd be scared of you guys if it wasn't one hit to kill all of you. God, we hear so many bolts. Just keep giving me bolts. I love bolts.
I'm gonna make you a blanket with a large bolt on it. That's all it's gonna be.
Why would you do that? Like, that would be so... no. Somebody, like, I can't wait. Like, I already know somebody, like, for my birthday is going to get me, like, a box of bolts.
Yeah.
I just know it. It's going to be...
That would be hilarious, honestly.
It'd be something alright.
Somewhat of a sad birthday present.
So, hey, it's like, it'd be something alright.
It's okay. One year for Christmas, my uncle, being the lovely person that he is,
Do I have you? I do have you.
my
Ooh,
cousin asked him for money for Christmas.
Right.
My uncle thought that to be rude.
Okay.
So, and because my family's so large, we have a $20 limit on Christmas presents, and we do the whole draw name thing.
Oh, that's cool, yeah.
And so everyone just has one person that they, buy for. And because my uncle thought it was rude that my cousin asked for money, he then proceeded to take a small box, load up $20 worth of pennies
Oh my.
into this box that was about the size of a brick, only weighed way more.
Right, because it was filled with... What is that? 20... No.
No.
Well, yeah, no, because it's 100... Well, no. Because it's $20, right?
Yeah.
So it'd be 2,000.
2,000?
2,000 pennies.
Okay.
Yeah.
A lot of pennies.
A lot of pennies, though, yeah.
And then wrapped the box in duct tape. By, like, a lot.
All this makes sense so far.
And then wrapped it with the gift wrap. And that was... and what he did on Christmas was hand it to everyone and go, see, it's really light. And we're all going, yeah, super light. Of course, when he hands it to us, you'd think the initial, oh god, okay,
Right.
would give it away. But no, we pulled it off well. And then he hands it to Jason, and Jason's like, oh, what on earth is in here? It was hilarious. It took him the longest to open his present.
Makes sense.
But I personally thought it was hilarious. I don't. Whatever you're trying to make it do, I do not think it wanted
It's
to
not
do.
doing. Wait.
Okay.
There
There
it
it
goes.
goes.
Really?
This is important. To go the other way.
In no way was that important at all.
Maybe you
I
had
did
to
all of
go
that
the
without
other
that.
way.
Whatever. I already went the other way.
Well, it had to be there for something.
I don't. Whatever. Moving on.
Did you get any bolts?
I got a plan for the rhino. I got a third piece.
Okay. Well, that was something. Whee, back to the beginning. Kadoosh.
Skidoosh.
Sorry,
Yeah,
dude.
he blew up. Right, you have a device. There it is, Mr. Zacron. Zarkon.
What'd you say, Zacron?
Zacron. It's like saffron with a Zac involved. I had the letter S to everything I say.
Yeah?
Duh.
Well, hey there, friend. You picked a dangerous time to be visiting.
Don't like him?
No, it's just like there's so many things on this planet. I'm trying to find the end.
Well, I suppose you could use this here gyrocycle. Of course, a businessman such as myself could.
Oh my god.
Without some
Yeah.
sort of
Yes, I forgot about these things. It's actually pretty lame because you have to use the... Yeah, good.
the Lombax.
Oh my gosh, I only have 100,200... 100... Wait, how many zeros was that?
A lot?
Yeah, there you go. The JavaScript. Once again, another vehicle that you have to use nothing for. Sucks.
I remember watching someone do that.
Whoop. Doof.
Whee!
I believe I have to do this, by the way.
I remember this part. This is the only part of this game that I, like, legitimately remember, apparently.
Yeah, you have to control this with your, with the activation, blah, 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 blah. And it is awful. Like, I remember doing it and going, ah! Because it's so scary.
Watch out for the fire.
Ah, I'm so scared. Ah.
Yeah.
Really?
Okay.
I don't really have guns. I don't understand what the purpose of you is going to be. Yeah. Imagine doing this with the motion controller,
That's how
right?
I did it.
Yes.
This is like the only part of the whole
I got
game I
hurt.
played.
Oh, you've played this?
Only this part. Because I thought it was cool.
It is pretty cool.
'Cause
You
I
want to do
was
this?
watching some- no, it's okay.
Good. 'Cause I don't want you to. 'Cause I want to.
That's fine.
I'm actually really enjoying this. It's so much easier with the...
Intellect stick.
Yeah. Why?
Why did you skip? Oh. Okay.
Don't do that.
Why
Yeah,
did you
don't-
skip over that other little
That's
part?
what I wanted
Oh!
to know. Oh, cool. I can speed up.
Oh, nice. Okay.
Why are there 3 other ones there if it's just going to make me go right past it? Just right past them.
Mm-hmm.
So this time we'll just kind of do this.
Yeah. Screw it. Oh, God.
Again.
And a little more careful.
Again, easy as pie with this controller. Or with a controller in general.
Yeah. Not using motion controller part thing.
Sorry, but I do have to kind of really pay attention.
Ah!
I got hit by that one.
You did.
1 out of 20 ain't bad. Actually, it was probably like 2 out of 30.
I think it doesn't matter. You're good. You're alive.
I like how he's all cool about this one.
Mm-hmm.
Boo! Not that they didn't just fly there.
Looks like an old bunker.
What do these symbols mean?
Can't read Lombax either, huh? Sorry. It says, in this room, a secret form to quell the angry Cragmite storm. You've traveled far, but to be clear, Without a tail, your quest ends here.
Welcome back, Lombax.
DNA.
Journey has been rewarding.
Well.
It's like the Siri of this. Only being good. And not Siri.
And not Siri.
Yeah.
You've got to be kidding me. We come all this way and there's nothing here.
Oh, but there is.
Looky here. It's one of those ancient holovid players. We used to
Don't
watch
what?
old episodes
Touch it.
of
Really?
Ratchet
Stupid.
and certain things.
So it's gonna flash and no shows.
Congratulations, soldier. The Center for Advanced Lombax Research has selected you as the beta tester for the most important invention in Lombax history, the Dimensionator. Built by 8 of the brightest minds in Lombax history, the Dimensionator's ergonomic design is the culmination of nearly 3 Arcturian cycles of research. Now, with your help,
Long time.
we will finally end the Kragmite's long reign of terror. But before you begin, it is vital you observe the following safety guidelines. If you are pregnant, have a heart condition, or are allergic to interdimensional travel, please consult a physician before using the Dimensionator. Should you be inadvertently warped to the dimension of the Xanatharian death wizards, remain calm and access the pepper spray located in your beta test kit. In the unlikely event that the Dimensionator creates a time-space singularity and tears the fabric of the universe asunder, please log an A-bug and notify a programmer immediately. Please report to our testing facility on planet Sargasso for live training and deployment. Good luck. And
Good luck.
farewell from the Center for Advanced Lombax Research.
There you go.
Okay.
The weapon used to vaporize the Kragmites was a hat. Oh, come on. There's no way a Lombax would invent something that ridiculous.
Oh, really? What about your nuclear-powered rocket sled? Your anti-matter bathroom buddy? And let us not forget about the electroshock undergarments you invented last fall.
Stunderwear. Huge seller.
Guys, you're missing a key word here. Interdimensional. There's more to this than we thought. Come on.
Yeah, there is.
Check out that testing ground on Sargasso.
There's a lot of story to this. Oh my god. Maybe I did get to a crack in time because I'm remembering a lot of this. I'm starting to think.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm starting to think I remember. I remember more of this than I thought. She's always doing repairs on those 2 idiots. By the way,
Makes sense.
pointing that out now, like that is not going to be an uncommon excuse. She doesn't use it all the freaking time.
Well, they're kind of
Old.
old.
Ah, yes. Fresh out of that.
Yeah?
Yeah. All right, so we're gonna go to the next planet, and that's gonna be it. Because I wanna see if there's a new gun.
Mm.
I like to buy my guns at the end of my night, not at the beginning.
Of course.
I'm pretty sure that we're just gonna fly there and land. If there's story, at least then I won't forget next time to fly to the planet on accident or something stupid. I do like this ship though because it goes through the stellar warp instead of just like wow, wow, and then we land. That thing always irritated me. Yep, there we go. There's a armor vendor? No, gun vendor. I can't tell. Ah, armor vendor.
Always looks so angry when he lands now.
Because he should. Oh god, he's back, which means there's Leviathans here. There are, like... I forgot what it is that he wants me to hunt. No. We're gonna do this then. There. Fully upgraded.
You should have that middle thing.
Wait, what? Oh, did I not buy that?
No.
Yes. It's what I
was
meant.
wondering why you kept going past
Because
it every
I
time you looked
didn't,
up there.
I never even saw it, so I thought I had it because it was right there in the middle of all of it,
Yeah.
so I was like, oh. It's sad both of those are actually worth having. There, that's completed now. Ugh.
Might as well.
No, no, there are other
Then you'll
things.
just obliterate everything.
There are other
in
things to
front of you.
upgrade. Like the nano swarm, we could start doing that.
Yeah, I think.
God, because
it
we
actually
have
needs it.
so much to do on it, and everything's so expensive. It doesn't get cheaper either. The question mark is all the way at the end too. There's more money. Money. Bullets or a bigger area is probably going to be the
most beneficial.
Yeah. And no new weapons. Okay. Alright guys, that's what we're going to wrap this one up for tonight. It's been quite a productive evening. Got quite a bit done. I have no idea how many plants we have left or anything of that nature. But we got a lot done. And we're both getting really tired. Apparently. I'm not showing it, but I'm like physically... So, I want to thank you guys very much for watching. Anything from you while I doodle?
Oh, no.
No? Okay.
Bye.
We got one more gadget.
We got a gadget.
Oh, right. I can show you guys. Here. There. We've collected 3 pieces.
Oh.
And we have infobots. We have all these things. And we still have quite a few more gadgets, too. Yep. Okay. So, with that, guys, like I said, thank you very much for watching. We'll be back on Sunday at some point.
Sunday.
I don't know when.
Saturday at some point.
Yeah, Saturday we're gonna be streaming. We're still working out the details of how that's all gonna work, but you know, we'll
figure it out.
We'll be here. So, guys, as always, I want to thank you guys very much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.
Bye. There you go.
I think you waited a ridiculously long time for that.
I'm tired.
No.